Hello, my dear F2 children. Last week we have finished our last sound for this year, the last sound of the alphabet that we were learning. So that means the time has come for us to go through the last group of letters that we have learned this week. Now to start with, we have the sound Z. Remember the story? The girl was watching some bees fly around the garden. As they fly from flower to flower, they make a Z sound. So she pretends to be a bee and she's saying Z. So we know what the sound goes with this letter. The name of it is Z. Mommy Z and baby Z look quite the same except for the size. And then, because we are going to make our sound book, we need to try and remind ourselves which words begin with Z sound. Now there are not too many, but let me try and remind you of some of those. Now to start with, I have a card here of an animal that lives in Africa, looks like a horse, and it's got black and white stripes. What do you think that is? Well, to help you, it does begin with the Z sound. Z, Z. Zebra. Good. Now, zebras you can see in Africa, you can see where they live. But if you live in a city, there are those special places where you can go and see the wild animals. Do you know how we call them? It also starts with Z. Z, U, zoo. That's right. I also prepared some words here for you that we can read together. And the first one is this one. It's actually two words put together. So let's first read this one. Z-I-G. Zig, zag, zag, zig, zag. What's that? Remember, it's that special line that goes up and down and up and down and up and down like that. Zigzag. And do you know what goes zigzag? The lightning, when there's a storm, it goes zigzag in the sky and it makes a zap. Zap. And the last one that I have here for you is this. Let's try and read it. Z-I-P. Zip. Yes, you have those on your trousers or on your jackets. They look like this. And they're called zips. Good. So those are just some of the ideas. Maybe you can think even of better words. Well, one does come across. It's actually a number. It's a number smaller than one. If you have one of something and somebody takes it away, how many of those will you have left? Zero. Good. So that is one more idea. Now that we know the words that begin with Z sound, let's just do a little bit of finger writing for the Z sound before we go on to our sound book. So you start at the top, go straight across, down and across, and straight across again. Good. Now that we finished that, I will put the big sound book away and I will bring your sound book number 4, the last one that we are going to make this year. And the first thing that we need to do when we open it is to write the name. So I will write my name here. And then I will put it up for you to see what I'm about to do. Now we will start with the first letter, and that is today going to be the Z sound. Well, I hope you all have a worksheet that looks like this, and then you take your scissors and cut on the line there. When you finish doing that, you need to write your Z sound. So I will do that with a marker so you see it better, but please use a grammar pencil at home, okay? So, as we said, start at the top, straight and across, down and across, straight and across again, then make space. Write another one, and another one, and another one, and try to make at least 5 of your sounds. When you finish writing them, the next thing to do is glue the sound on the first page. So it's going to be on our first page here. So let's put some glue there. And stick the sound here. Now on this side, you need to think of all the words that we were talking about which begin with Z. So remember, Z, zigzag, the zap, the zip, the zebra, the zero. So I'm choosing to draw a zigzag line. Zig, zag, ziggity, zag, ziggity, zag. So it's a zigzag line. And another one that I'm choosing to draw is actually writing number 0, zero, and our Z sound is finished. Okay, see you soon. Bye.